Hello and welcome in Teruel in Spain, where we're building an A380 hangar for our client Tarmac. This is a 95 by 85 meter hangar. The internal clearance is 30 meters. And we started building this hangar in March, where we got access to the concrete. And we are already today handing over the building, and we are 30th of July. So we are now in front of the building where we installed a vertical opening door. This is a door that we sourced with a well-known door company in Scandinavia. So this door opens vertically with retractable columns. The beauty of the system is on Spantech side with the structure that's hanging the door. We made it so that we can adjust the height and the position of all elements so that we can have a smooth operation, a seamless operation of the door all year round, and we can adapt to the deformation of the building. So we're now inside of the building. This is a very much equipped building that we provide to Tarmac. So we install air compressor systems. It's a 500 cubic meter per hour system with different fittings along the walls. We install a fire system, so we have both fire detection with 6 fire cameras and all the switches and all the cabling that goes with it. But also we have fire suppression through fire hoses that are placed on the walls. We have fire extinguishers and the relevant signage according to Spanish law. On top of this, we have all the mechanical system. So we want this hangar to be resistant to freezing, meaning that we install 4 big electric heat pump inside of the building that are pushing the air inside. We provide as well lockers and offices with sanitary, with showers and toilets. Those lockers are equipped with windows to the exterior of the hangar. We have AC machines and we have a nice finishing inside. Another system we install is the electrical distribution. So we have in the corner an electrical cabinet that distribute the power to all the system within our scope of work. This includes some electrical island with very high amperage. So we're talking 250 amps of power in each of those 5 electrical islands. Inside of the ceiling, we do have installed a safety line that will allow the workers to walk on the fuselage of the building in a very safe way, so with a little trolley that follows them from the ceiling. On the exterior of the ceiling, we installed a lightning rod that protects the building against storms. So the hangar is equipped with hard walls. So this is sandwich panel walls with mineral wool inside, which gives very, very good fire protection. The ceiling is made of our Thermoroof technology, which is an amazing trade-off between water tightness, ease of installation, cost effectiveness, and it even lets the natural light go inside the building, which is always something the workers are looking for. So we have here an insulated building with these 2 components. In the ceiling, we did install some lights. So we have 500 lux of lighting in the building. The lights are dimmable with respect to the external sunlight that gets in the building. And we have an air mixer system, so that's coupled with the mechanical system to make sure that the heat doesn't go out through the roof. We are mixing the air to keep it all heated in the winter. So this building follows strict engineering playbook. So we have here in Teruel very strong wind loads and snow loads. We are at above 1,000 meters of altitude, so the snow is very high. And we also are in a very flat, open terrain. So the wind loads that we receive on the structure are also extremely high. So we came up with this very impressive truss system to be able to deliver to our clients. So this hangar has 2 additional features that we want to talk about. First one would be that it's a demountable hangar, so we can remove the bolt and the nuts to make it easy to transport it to reassemble in another location if you need it. The second one is that it's a very sustainable building. So we're working with very few concrete, which is a big CO2 creator, I would say, and we work with recycled aluminum. So thanks to those 2 elements, we have a very sustainable building in front of us. So this building was built in a record pace. We got access to the concrete slab in the month of March. We are now end of July, and we are handing over this building that's 8,000 square meters. So this is done thanks to a lot of pre-conception, a lot of pre-assembly in our factory. The trusses are then delivered and mounted on site. And so we're able to deliver this building in a very, very fast manner. So thank you for listening, and we're all looking forward to get this first aircraft inside of the building.